Hi there, at 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏.com we decode skincare products. So none of the products that we are going to decode in this channel is by any means a recommendation from us. It's just us simply randomly picking one and decoding the ingredients in it. So today the product we have picked is 𝗏𝘗𝗂's Facial Treatment Essence. This is a very popular product. It's also a very pricey product. According to the manufacturer, this 𝗏𝘗𝗂 Facial Treatment Essence, it is very hydrating to the skin. It keeps your skin very soft and plump, and it hydrates the skin. Hydration is the key word that's used in the product's promotion. So let's actually decode the ingredients that's in the product and see what it actually does. The first one is 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 called sake. So it's a byproduct of that wine, and it's the particles in here that's used inside here are fermented, and because they're fermented, their size is very small, and because it's very small, the claim is that it can reach to the deeper layers of skin. Now this 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏 ferment filtrate, it's also called 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and it's got a trademark. SK2 owns a trademark on it, and they don't disclose what exactly is inside this 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, but what they say is it's got a lot of humectants. Humectants are water magnets. They're sponges, like sponges to water. They attract water, bring it to the top layer of the skin, and keep your skin hydrated. It's got a lot of humectants, they say, and it also has kojic acid. Kojic acid brightens your skin. So this is 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, actually called 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 ferment filtrate. It's a byproduct of Japanese rice wine. Then you've got butylene glycol. Butylene glycol is also a humectant. A humectant, as we just mentioned, is a water magnet. It's like a sponge, attracts water, brings it to the top layer of skin, and keeps your skin hydrated. Butylene glycol is also a solvent. What a solvent does is it kind of dissolves all the ingredients and brings them together. So if you don't have a solvent or an ingredient like a solvent in a skincare product, all the ingredients will be by itself. So a solvent brings it all together, and it's also a humectant. The third one is pentylene glycol. This is also a humectant. A humectant attracts water, brings it to the water surface, keeps it hydrated. Pentylene glycol is also a solvent, so it dissolves the ingredients, brings all the ingredients together. So that's actually to get all the ingredients together and make that skincare product work. The fourth one is water. The water actually doesn't do anything for your skin as such, but what it does, it's a solvent again. It brings all the ingredients in the product together. It dissolves them and brings them together. Then you've got sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is a preservative. A preservative is necessary in a lot of skincare products because without preservatives, microorganisms, bad bugs start attacking the product, and the product will go rancid. Then you've got methyl-paraben. That's also a preservative. It keeps the product in a good condition. Otherwise, it'll just go rotten. Then you've got sorbic acid. That's also a preservative. Keeps the product good. Otherwise, it will get attacked by the bad bugs and will go rancid. So those are the 6 ingredients. But the ones that we really care about are the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, butylene glycol, and pentylene glycol. Other than this, you've got water and you've got a lot of preservatives, so we can just ignore that. We can park them all to the side. So 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, it's something that's owned by SK2. They say it's got a lot of humectants and it's got a lot of kojic acid in it. And then you've got kojic acid is for brightening the skin. You've got butylene glycol, which is also a humectant. Then you've got a pentylene glycol, which is also a humectant. So there are a lot of humectants in this product, and humectants do keep your skin hydrated. So I guess it says yes to the claim of the manufacturer. This is a very pricey product. So butylene glycol and pentylene glycol are not the reason it's so pricey. It's pricey because of this 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, the trademarked ingredient, which is a 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 ferment filtrate. Don't exactly know what it is. It's a secret ingredient that's used by SK2. It's a 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. They've got the trademark on it, and it's a byproduct of the Japanese rice wine. And they say that the people who were involved in manufacturing the sake, they noticed that their hands are very soft, and they found out the reason for that is this ingredient that they've created, this pitera. So that's why the reason. That's the reason why their hands are always so soft. So yeah, that's what SK2 says. So the reason why this product is so pricey is mainly because of pitera. Don't exactly know what's in it, but we do know it's got a lot of humectants and kojic acid, because that's what the manufacturer says. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.